Chad 327 right here with the homemade pontoon boat, episode number 5. And I've got some long stainless steel screws, some short stainless steel screws. That puts my chair back on. The chair popped off. I also picked up some fishing lures today. The kids have already broken them open, look like real fish. We're supposed to go to the river tomorrow. I don't know if those are saltwater, freshwater. We're gonna try them in freshwater. I got that little guy. Anyway, I also got some anchor rope. Seems like I'm always hunting anchor rope. Just the other day, I was going to church on the road. Somebody had dropped a blue life jacket. That matches pretty good. That's gonna be for the captain. Anyway, I plan to call the boat SS Mulligan. I don't know a whole lot about golf, but Mulligan is a do-over, and this is boat number 2. So this is my do-over. Wait till you see boat number 3. If I do a boat number 3. I think I might advertise on Facebook. I will build you a boat, because I want to build another one, but I've still got this one. Anyway, something to think about. The captain's seat is now installed. I've got the trolling motor on. The shop vac just turned off. I guess it's good enough. And I gotta remember to bring a battery for the trolling motor. Get this trash off here. So just this morning I took truck bed trailer number 3 to the recycle place, hauled off some scrap, and I picked up something for the homemade barrel boat project. But I think I'm gonna make you wait till the end. I'll reveal what it is at the end of the video. Chad 327 here with the SS Mulligan. We've made it back down to the river. This is the St. Mary's River, different boat ramp. We had the amphibious go-kart here a couple years back. Anyway, the girl's trying to catch minnows. The other's out exploring, and I gotta get the boat unloaded. We're now in the water. It's all calm, smooth, beautiful day. I think right here on this bridge I need to do some magnet fishing real quick. Magnet fishing before real fishing, that's what I say. We've got the boat out, the water's slick. We just went under that bridge. Golf has been set up. This one's already caught a bunch of fish.
And I that's the wrong cup.
They're in the other cup. Anyway, she's caught a lot of minnows. May have to use those for bait. No. And let's see, I didn't show you this yet. Shout out to Justin, he's got a blacksmithing shop. This is when you're magnet fishing and you can't pull it up with a magnet. You throw this in there and you gaffle it right out. And the magnet is right here, ready to go in. I think we'll go back under the bridge again, start here, going that way, see what we can find. The magnet found nothing under the bridge, so we're going to the beach. I just saw something splashing right there. We're going to do some fishing. Maybe the beach and fishing. And thank goodness for a Bimini top. That's $50 well spent. Somebody's campsite. We'll go up there and grill our fish if we catch any. A lot of logs. Maybe the boat motor hit some of the logs. Yep. Got some guys fishing on the other side of the beach. He said there's a lot of fish. They're fly fishing. I got one fishing, one digging holes.
One being dumb.
It ain't dumb to fish.
No, right.
She does need an umbrella over there. I didn't show you the snack bank yet. I got donuts. Got to have chocolate chip cookies. There's crackers, oatmeal pies, Pop-Tarts, powdered donuts, only the good stuff. She went with powdered, she went with chocolate. I went with chocolate. Lawnmower battery and the free trolling motor work pretty good. That's forward in first gear, second gear, and it gets a little bit loud in high gear. 18 pounds of thrust. That's a little miniature aquarium out here. think I might go catch some. The minnows have their own little pool.
Oh.
There's all kind of logs and rocks in the water, but we're going to try to get through here. The umbrella's way back over there. It gets a little bit wider straight ahead. I didn't say deeper, I said wider. Well, we've been out in the water about 6 hours. Loads of fun. I think it's about time to pack up and go home. And the girls are catching minnows before we leave. I gotta back the trailer down here. And now that we're at the end of the video, here's what I got. It is a locked up Evinrude. I want to get another air-cooled engine, probably off of a push mower, adapt it to the foot, and then we'll have homemade boat motor number 3, and it happens to be in homemade truck bed trailer number 3, going on pontoon boat number 2.